M0FXP, welcome back to my videos on the Ailunce Ha1Uv. There is new firmware just here. I'll put the link in the description. Let's just click it here. And today's date is the 2nd of August 2025. So we'll click the zip up here and run that. And there is a change log. I'm just going to click that here. Okay, it says expand FM receiving frequency, wide band from 18 megahertz to 660, 840 to 1300. That's got to be good. Display the corresponding dBm value. So that's a signal meter improvement. CPS can have a startup photograph. And you're going to get, it says here on one, I saw that you get Airband from 108 to 136, new display mode, synchronized display of frequency name, frequency and channel number, one touch frequency pairing. Okay. So we should be able to do this within the CPS. So there's the, anyway, there's the firmware file there. 1.01.12 and of course quite long, ends 728. So I'm now just going to click on the left. You've got the CPS. I have connected my cable, by the way. Let's do the CPS. It's coming now. And the cable screws on the side. You remember, it's one of those types. I got the other end plugged into my PC. We're going to go right click, device manager. And COM8. Click that. Zip. There it goes. More info. Run. Says here COM. We know it's COM8. Do that. Model. We will do the Ha1G, but we're on the Ha1Uv at the moment. Just going to collect, and it instantly starts to read. Like so. Very quick, and you get a picture of it as well. Right, let's go to operation. I'm going to go to firmware. And please turn off the device and press and hold both the PTT and PF1 button, which I guess is the one underneath the PTT, at the same time, and turn on radio. So let's just quickly do that. Just turn it off. I'm going to push those two. One's yellow and then one underneath. Okay, we've got a green light there. Hopefully we're in, and it's gone red. Hopefully we're in firmware mode. Then we're going to go select file. So remember, we downloaded that one on our desktop. You need to make sure it's the right file. So I'm just going to put it somewhere I know I can find it. Okay, I put it on my desktop. So I'm just going to show you. I just put it there. Double click that, and it's put it there. All right, let's hit the flash download. Let's see what it does. It's going. So I actually can't remember if we had Airband before, because to me, if we didn't, that's quite a biggie. Also, having 18 megahertz right up through, that is pretty much what you're getting on your Ha1Uv K5 type radios. So yeah, I think it's fascinating. And I'm going to have a look to see if the Ha1G has got similar firmware, because while I'm all set up here, I've got the cable connected and everything. I might as well do my GMRS one, because I have got the GMRS model here. Okay, done. Reboots. Right, that's gone in. I've added an antenna for airband there. I'm just going to read and add a couple of, I'm going to add an airband. You just go back to operation and you don't do firmware, you just go read and it will read now. As you can see, it read well. So let's go to channels. So that's basic settings, zones, channels. I noticed with the airband it had the D023N turned on, so let's turn that off. That's like a digital tone, isn't it? And we don't need CTCSS there. And then they've got my other channels that I put in, so that came in on VFO-A. So let's add an actual memory channel. It's been a while since I used this software. Add. We'll call this one Air. Use calculate capitals Airband. So it's nice to see all these companies doing all their firmware, isn't it? 850, that's Bristol Airport and Tower, I believe. Ah, let's do that again. 133.850. 133.850. Maybe it won't go in as a memory. So it lets in on VFO A and B. So let's go 126.250. That's airband. 136. I'm interested because it goes from 118, doesn't it? I'm interested in why that won't go in. But anyway, we managed to get the other one in. Let's send that to the radio, see if we can hear some airband. So all you do is go, but yeah, adding normal channels. Oh, look, you just put in your name here, receive, transmit frequency, and then across further, you'd have your tone here. So that would be 94.8. There, squelch level, power. Okay, so let's send that to the radio by going operation write. That writes it to the radio. In theory, we should start hearing some airband. Yes, we are hearing some.